And this is Ali from EA Home Design. Today I want to speak about the built-in fridge and freestanding or standard fridge, okay, that you see here. There are two different kind of fridge, two different big category, I can tell you, freestanding and built-in, okay, which is, I'm gonna explain more about it. Built-in fridge is the fridge that they built uh, in the cabinet. It's look like that is part of the cabinet, and freestanding is the fridge that you can is not part of the cabinet. It has a little bit of space usually on this around it, but you can have it very tight, but you can take it out easily and push it in the bag. And usually the most important difference between these two is the depth and the height and the way that they install. And but about the quality, definitely built-in fridge has a little bit better quality for saving the food more for longer time, but it's more expensive too. Um, Built-in fridge usually comes in a 84-inch height and different width, 36, 42, 48, 60. Is different, is different between manufacturer, but they have different way to have it too. They can have it as a column fridge and column fridge and freezer, or column wine rack fridge and freezer. Depends on the manufacturer. Some manufacturer has columns, some manufacturer this whole fridge coming as a one piece. But the freestanding fridge, a standard fridge, usually the size the standard size is 36. They have 33 too for side by side, but the height usually is 69 to 72, and they are better price fridge too. Standard freestanding fridge, they have two major different type. One of them is uh, counter depth, and one of them is a standard depth. Okay, in the standard depth, okay, the box of the cabinet coming out from the counter, okay, and the counter depth cabinet, the box of the cabinet is gonna be equal with the counter, okay. What's that mean? That means is counter depth. You're gonna see the door that is gonna stick out from the counter, but it's not like built-in. Built-in, the door gonna be flush with the counter, and this is the major difference between counter depth and built-in. And but in the standard fridge usually you have a more depth inside the refrigerator, and that means, for example, you can put the uh, full box of pizza in some of the fridge, and you have more cubic feet inside usually. And counter the fridge, usually you have this problem that you cannot put the bigger stuff in. And built-in fridge has they come with three different uh, paneling or overlaying installation. Okay, built-in fridge, they coming with the built-in with a stainless steel panel. Okay, they come with built-in with the um, wood panel. Okay, they call it overlay too, and they come as a integrated. Okay, in the these two is very similar to each other. Okay, but as you see, the panel gonna stick out a little bit from the cabinet. Okay, the because they have a panel, only the thickness of the panel and a little bit of body of the body box of the refrigerator gonna come out from the cabinet. But when you install it this way, integrated, okay, it's gonna be flush with the rest of the cabinet, and it's gonna be like hidden fridge. It means it's look like that you put it inside the cabinet. And this is the other way that they install it with the uh, science steel doors. Okay, and this is three way that they install it. Personally, I think built-in fridge is much nicer, better quality. They can keep usually the product in it for longer time, but the price is a big factor on it. They are expensive. But I think some, if you have money for it, is worth it. But you can always contact me via email or call me if you have any other question, and or even you can go to our website and come to our showroom. Thank you for watching this. Please follow us in all social medias, YouTube, Facebook, and Twitter. And I'm gonna make more video about the remodeling. Okay, and this is part of the remodeling. Thank you so much and have a good one. Bye.